Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Amazon to slash thousands more corporate jobs in 2026. Amazon is reportedly preparing for a second major wave of layoffs, targeting approximately 14,000 to 16,000 corporate employees starting as early as Tuesday, January 27, 2026. This follow-up to October's 14,000 job cuts brings the total reduction to 30,000 roles, the largest in company history, impacting AWS, Prime Video, and Ikea. The move aims to eliminate managerial bloat and bureaucracy, while CEO Andy Jassy attributes the shift to fostering a lean startup culture. The restructuring highlights a significant pivot toward AI-driven efficiencies and organizational consolidation. Apple Pay set for long-awaited India launch. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch its digital payment service Apple Pay in India by late 2026. The tech giant is in active discussions with banks, regulators, and major card networks like Visa and MasterCard to secure necessary approvals. Initially, the service will focus on card-based contactless payment, allowing users to tap to pay using an iPhone or Apple Watch at NFC-enabled terminals. While UPI integration remains a future possibility, the phased rollout aims to establish Apple's service ecosystem in India's rapidly growing digital economy. Meta's new AI team delivers first internal models. Meta's recently restructured integrated AI team has successfully delivered its first internal key models this month, according to CTO Andrew Bosworth. This milestone reflects Meta's aggressive shift towards streamlining AI research and product development into a single cohesive unit. The new models are designed to enhance efficiency across Meta's ecosystem, specifically targeting improvements in recommendation algorithms and advertising tools. By unifying talent, Meta aims to accelerate the deployment of generative AI features, ensuring the company remains a top-tier competitor against rivals like OpenAI and Google. Meta YouTube to empower creators with AI digital twins. YouTube is reportedly developing a feature that allows creators to generate shorts using AI-powered digital twins. By cloning their own likeness and voice, creators can produce video content from text prompts without ever stepping in front of a camera. This initiative aims to help influencers maintain a consistent posting schedule and experiment with different languages or styles effortlessly. To ensure transparency, YouTube will mandate altered content labels for these videos, balancing creative efficiency with the need to protect viewers from deceptive deepfakes in the burgeoning AI era. YouTube Adobe Acrobat. Turn your PDFs into AI podcast. Adobe has unveiled a groundbreaking feature for Acrobat that transforms static PDF documents into AI-generated podcasts. Using advanced text-to-speech and generative AI, the tool creates a conversational dialogue between two AI hosts who discuss and summarize the document's key points. Designed for on-the-go learning, users can customize the tone, length, and depth of the discussion. This feature aims to make dense reports and academic papers more accessible and engaging, allowing professionals and students to consume complex information through a natural radio-style listening experience. Adobe WhatsApp tests in-app toggle for early feature access. WhatsApp is testing a new early access to features switch, allowing users to try experimental tools without joining the official Google Play beta program. This move aims to bypass the Play Store's 10,000 participant limit, which often leaves interested testers locked out. Spotted in the Android beta version 2.6.211, the toggle appears within the app's settings. It enables selected users to opt in for under-development features and easily revert to stable versions. This internal system provides WhatsApp a flexible way to gather feedback from a larger global user base. Today's AI tool is VideoIdeas.ai. your automated YouTube scriptwriter. VideoIdeas.ai is a comprehensive content engine designed to streamline the production workflow for creators and agencies. By inputting simple keywords or niches, users receive fully structured scripts, complete with hooks, talking points, and CTEs, optimized for both long-form videos and vertical shorts. Beyond simple generation, its unique channel analysis feature scans existing uploads to identify content gaps and trending topics tailored to your audience. With SEO integrated outputs and customizable brand tones, it functions as a 24/7 creative partner, helping maintain a high-frequency publishing schedule without burnout. Our lead story is about Apple to replace Siri with Gemini-powered AI chatbot. Apple is reportedly planning a historic shift by replacing its legacy assistant, Siri, with a more advanced chatbot powered by Google's Gemini. This move signals a pivot from in-house development to a strategic partnership aimed at closing the gap in generative AI. The new integration will allow iPhones to handle complex reasoning, creative writing, and multimodal inputs far beyond Siri's current capabilities. While Apple will maintain its privacy-first focus through private cloud compute, the collaboration marks a major win for Google, positioning Gemini as the core brain for millions of iOS users. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.